All right, so that junk frog dumpster was taken about 12 o'clock today, filled with house demolition. And man, I tell you, there's a lot of stuff. I got enough room here in the garage to park the truck, which I'm pretty happy about. Been doing a lot of cleaning. So I put up a new Larson storm door for here in the garage and trimmed it myself. Got a little screw holes to cover up. But this is a little bit higher end door. Beats the chop job I had in there about 6 years ago. I put one in and didn't do it right. This one was put in correctly. Nice nickel plated hardware here. Got this at Lowe's. Lockable. This is one of those half screen things that the screen pulls down. And I also put in handles on all these new doors. There. Been doing a lot of upgrade electrical too. I'll show you here. The cabinets are still on order. Got them half paid for. And they won't be in until probably late January. So there's no use doing the floors until I get the cabinets done, or trimming, or granite hard countertops, or painting, or anything else. So it's going to be bare for a while. That's all right. It's all right. It's just me here. But we did get some flooring done. Check this out. Isn't that cool? Excuse me. A little bit snuffly. I just got out of the steam tent. Took a steam bath. But here, it looks pretty good, doesn't it? Let's go over here. The back hallway. Got this all done. The bathroom is not floored yet because I've got cabinets going in there too. And if you remember correctly, this right here is going to have an arch right here. There's going to be an arch kit installed over there. Nice curves. Of course, drywalled and painted and all that good stuff. But there you go. There's a good look at the flooring there. I'll have a new entry door put in. Over here, I got some temporary speakers hooked up for the TV set. Also have a big matching, about an 8x10 piece of carpet. It's going to go right in here. I got that on order to knock down some of the echo because it just sounds terrible with hardwood floors or hard floors now. So got more trimming to do up there. Got that. This is of course going to be painted here. Over here. This will all be flat right down to here. So there you have it. And to let you know on Clyde, he passed on December 7th. He was the heart of this house. Perfect kitty. Got to say I love you, and you know, he was laying right there. And he passed right there. And buried him out here in the back. You know, 15-year-old boy. I mean, he was the absolute perfect kitty. Put him down right there. Got a little monument for him. But gosh, you know, you lose your best friend. You know, it's okay, guys, men. You know, show your emotions. I haven't cried like that, and I can't remember the last time I cried that hard. So, all right. Here it is. This is where I'm at with this house, and hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.